Welcome to our channel BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about business analysis for cloud computing. Introduction to cloud computing and business analysis. Overview of cloud computing and its relevance in modern businesses. Role of business analysts in cloud-related projects. Key responsibilities of a business analyst in cloud computing. Identifying business needs for cloud migration. Evaluating cloud service providers. Mapping technical requirements to business goals. Benefits of cloud computing in business analysis. Enhanced scalability and flexibility. Improved collaboration and access to data. Challenges in business analysis for cloud computing. Data security and compliance concerns. Managing costs and aligning with organizational goals. Steps for effective business analysis in cloud computing projects. Requirement gathering and stakeholder collaboration. Designing cloud strategies and conducting feasibility studies. Providing ongoing support post-migration. Real-life case studies. Example of successful cloud migration and business analysis strategies. Conclusion. Why business analysis is crucial for cloud computing success. Welcome to today's video, where we explore the crucial role of business analysts in the exciting realm of cloud computing. Let's dive into how business analysis drives cloud computing success. Cloud computing is revolutionizing how businesses operate. It enables scalability, flexibility, and remote access to data. For business analysts, this domain offers endless opportunities to align technology with business goals. As a business analyst, you'll identify the need for cloud adoption, evaluate vendors like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and ensure the solutions meet business requirements. Cloud computing fosters scalability, improves collaboration, and enhances data accessibility, all vital for businesses looking to stay competitive. Despite its benefits, challenges like data security, compliance, and cost management need careful navigation. A business analyst plays a critical role in addressing these challenges. To ensure success, begin with thorough requirement gathering. Collaborate with stakeholders and cloud providers. Design a migration plan that aligns with business strategies. Provide post-migration support to optimize the cloud environment. Take, for example, a retail company transitioning to the cloud. A business analyst ensured smooth migration by mapping customer data needs to cloud capabilities. To sum up, cloud computing is transforming the business landscape, and the role of a business analyst is pivotal in ensuring these transformations are strategic and effective. Embrace this challenge and unlock new opportunities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.